Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to do dramatic girl transformation with this particular AI, which is called DeepFakeMaker.io. So all you have to do is to upload your picture here, and then you can upload a picture with the target face. Now what this basically does is to merge two females or put a face in another face, which means that you can upload a picture of a target face on, you can put it on an original face. This is for people that really want to do cross matching with two females of choice here. And once they do that, you can always click on swap now, and then the images would be swapped. You can get a target face on the original picture you've uploaded, and it means that you can, if you want a dream girlfriend, maybe you have the particular body you want, maybe Scarlett Johansson's body with Gwyneth Paltrow's face or something like that, you can actually do that with this DeepFakeMaker.io and try out other features here. So let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, guys, and please subscribe to our channel as we're actively trying to grow.